How to fix icons not showing in taskbar. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, right click on your taskbar, then go to taskbar settings. Now scroll down, then go to taskbar behavior. After that, make sure you have not selected this automatically hide the taskbar and these show badges on taskbar apps is toggled on. Scroll down and then go to help with taskbar. Go to settings, go to personalization, scroll down, go to taskbar, and then you should see an option of taskbar apps. After that, what you will have to do is select the apps that you want to keep in your taskbar. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.